Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage affiliate marketing with Wix easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Wix account. If you don't have an account yet, create one on the Wix website. Once logged in, choose the website you want to work on. Click on the Edit Site button to enter the website editor. Next, navigate to the Wix App Market. Use the search bar to find affiliate marketing apps. Popular choices include Wix Affiliate and Referzion. Select the app that best fits your needs. Click on the Add to Site button to install the app. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once the app is installed, access it from the left sidebar of the editor. Set up your account within the app by providing required details. Customize your affiliate program settings. Define commission rates and payout structures for your affiliates. Create promotional materials such as banners and links for affiliates to use. Share these materials with your affiliates through the app. Next, recruit affiliates to join your program. Promote your affiliate program on social media and your website. Monitor affiliate performance using the analytics provided by the app. Regularly review metrics like clicks, conversions, and revenue generated. Adjust your strategies based on performance insights. Keep communication open with your affiliates for support and motivation. Continuously optimize your program for better results. Engage with your audience and affiliates to build a community around your brand. Now you're set to manage your affiliate marketing effectively with Wix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.